Hi, my name is Taylor Barnett. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you how Prism, an open source project from the team at Stoplight, can help you mock your OpenAPI documents and get instant feedback. So what is Prism? Prism is an open source and flexible set of mocking tools with out-of-the-box support for OpenAPI v2 and 3 documents. You can use it via the CLI or programmatically through its JavaScript API. Prism acts as an HTTP mock server that can respond dynamically to requests according to an OpenAPI document, moving the feedback collection for a proposed API from the very end, which is typical of the waterfall model, closer to the design phase. When designing a new API, it is tremendously important to give to your future users a prototype that they can play around with so they get a sense of what interacting with the API might look like. This is where Prism can help you. Prism can spin up a mock server for any OpenAPI 2 or 3 document from both YAML and JSON, and the target file can either be available locally or via URL. I'm going to run the Prism mock command to get started. In this case, I'm creating a mock server for the OpenAPI 3 document. Once loaded, Prism will show all the available paths I can request, and all of them will respond according to the specification document. When I curl one of the paths, Prism will respond to my request and provide extensive logging, helping you debug any issue you may have. Next, I will run the Prism mock command with the dynamic flag. Like last time, I'll curl for a response, but this time I'll do it a few times. You can see that Prism can also generate dynamic examples following the schema associated with the requested response. This helps your team work with different sets of data and predict edge cases that are hard to spot with static examples. You can also instruct Prism to generate a specific example using an OpenAPI extension. You can see here I'm wanting to generate a full name instead of a random string. Prism is also able to validate the incoming request following the rules defined in the specification document and responding with the best matching error response defined in the document. Don't worry though, if you do not have one, Prism will generate one for you. That's just a few of the features of Prism. See stoplight.io/Prism for instructions and more documentation. And if you want to contribute to helping build out Prism, check out the contributions document in the GitHub repository. Excited to see what you build. Thanks for watching.